Yep. All right. All right. It's Tubbylicious time. Ha ha. All right, Dipsy, are you ready?
No, I don't want to do this. It'll make me feel awkward and embarrassed.
Oh, come on, Dipsy. It's for fun. Please.
Fine. To the D to the I to the PSY. There ain't no other tubby who is stubborn and sarcastic like me. Oh, do I really have to say it?
Yes, Dipsy, go on, say it.
I'm Dipsy.
Pardon?
I'm Dipsy Clack Clack.
You're Dipsy Clack Clack?
I'm Dipsylicious. There, I said it.
Say it with more enthusiasm.
Are you kidding me? I'm Dipsylicious. Ha-ha!
There we go, Dipsy.
That was so embarrassing. I'm out of here.
He's Dipsylicious.
To the L-A-A, to the other L-A-A. There ain't no other tubby who can sing like me. La 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 la. I'm Laa-Licious. Ha ha. To the P to the O, and that's how you spell my name. There ain't no other tubby who's got the moves like me. Ya-ye-son. I'm Tubbylicious.
If you didn't catch that, he said he's new-licious. All right, it's my turn. To the T to the Inky, W-I-A-K-Y. There ain't no other tubby who is clumsy like me. Oops. I'm Tinkylicious. White dog, you're on. To the white, to the D, to the O, to the G. There ain't no other dog who is white like me. I'm Doggylicious.
To the C, to the U, to the P, to the cake. There ain't no other girl who is sweet and pretty like me. I'm Cupcakelicious. That sounded like so weird. It sounded like I said I'm delicious. I'm not delicious, am I?
No, of course not, Cupcake.
Good, because I'm like not meant to be eaten.
Yeah, you're right about that, Cupcake. You're right about that. All right, let me adjust this and... All right, go for it.
All right, I will go first. To the S-Q-U-A-R-I-D. There ain't no other square who is as square as me. I'm Squarelicious.
Okay, now me. To the R to the O-U-N-D-Y. There ain't no other circle who is round and can roll like me. I'm Roundylicious.
And I'm Squarelicious.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ha-ha.
All right, who should I do next? Oh, silly sandwich. Yeah. Let me do it. I would do Tubbylicious. I want to do it. Okay, silly sandwich. I guess you can do it. Go right ahead. Okay. To the silly sandwich. There ain't no other sandwich who is silly like me. I'm silly sandwich-licious. I'm sandwich-licious. Silly-licious, sandwich-licious. What? Hey, silly sandwich, stop messing with the camera. Get off.
We're the B to the Loo.
Flowers.
And ain't no other flowers have a sisterly bond like us. Ugh, we're Flowerlicious.
To the V to the R, double O-N-O. There ain't no other vehicle who is fast like me. I'm Vrmalicious.
To the duck to the S to the T-E-R. There ain't no other duck who is good at fixing things, inventions, just like me. I'm Ducksterlicious, quacktastic.
To the D to the R to the A-K-E. There ain't no other dragon who is friendly like me. And also can breathe fire. I'm Dracolicious.
To the F, to the I, to the O-N-A. There ain't no other person who can do magic like me. I'm Fiona-licious.
Wow, that was beautiful, Fiona. And you really know how to make an entrance.
Or, thank you, Tinky Winky. You're so sweet.
And now it's time for the finale. To the T,
To the U, double B-B. Why?
we hope you all enjoyed our really fun show.
We're Tubbylicious.
The end! Ha ha!
Oh, what an embarrassment.
Well, guys, what do you think?
That video was totally awesome!
What?
Hey, that's my line, Laa-Laa. I know, Dipsy, but that's how good the video was.
Well, yeah, but for me, it was kind of awkward and embarrassing. I mean, Dipsylicious, yeah. But still, that video was pretty good, Tinky Winky.
Oh, yes. I bet it'll get a lot of hits on social media.
Oh, yeah. This sure was fun.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Let's go! All right!